So, pretty much testing my Vevor 1800 BTU heater diesel. It's the first time that I actually got it connected to the roof tent. So what it is like I see a lot of videos of people just like connecting their air pipe kind of like to this entrance right here, or unzip it and just run the pipe in between the the open gap. So it's kind of like a lot of open gap. So if you got a rain or snow, you're probably gonna have a lot of leaks. But I actually came up with an idea. It's pretty much what I'm gonna show you guys. There you go. Kind of like have to sacrifice my tent for a minute. I was like, oh my god, is this really gonna happen? But it works great. This is actually a it's a drain cap. It's a drain cap for a top, a drain cap. So I put it on, I open it. I actually made a big hole in my tent, and I'll show you guys the picture. But inside is like perfect. The idea of like, I see a lot of people like running their lines through that little gap or up to the zipper. But I noticed the hose get really hot, if you really got a close range. But look at this, just like little air vent. It's not that too hot. I mean, I run this thing in a really high. You gotta run it really high when you first started your diesel heater, because you have to burn all the extra thing that is inside of the burner, But I mean, it's great. Inside is really nice, and I've been running this for like almost an hour. I feel this temperature right here. It's not hot. It's a little hot in here. I mean, it goes up to 180 degrees. Right now I'm running it low, so it's kind of like 85 degrees. You can touch, you can actually hold your fingers on it. Because I wasn't really, the idea. I see a guy that put a video that he ran into that gap, and the pipe was actually hanging into these poles right here. But you actually have to have somebody that's sleeping right next to you, and it's gonna be touching the air vent, and it's super hot. But right here, I mean, look at all the space you have. I mean, it's running everything nice and hot. So I got this nice setup. It was something I just went to Home Depot and find it, So you got a couple of the fitting actually going. It's got a gasket. You gotta bolt it out a little bit in between, so it's good. It's good. It's really hot in here, but I mean, look at this. I'm gonna really enjoy the winter.